Next part, homogeneous. Homogeneous differential equation. Now, what is homogeneous differential equation? Now, already we have known. If we say that again, we take one example, that is 3 dy by dx plus 7y equal to 0. So in this equation, here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So homogeneous equation means what? The equation in which each term contain the dependent variable. The पूर्ण equation मध्ये if the dependent variable is present, or the term of dependent variable is present, here dy by dx means y is dependent variable is present, here 7y means y is dependent variable is present, here nothing means 0 means we say that we can 0 into y means 0. So here also the dependent variable is present. Then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. Each and every part of that equation, if the dependent variable is term of dependent variable is present, then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. We take one another example, x d2y by dt square plus 9y, or 9 we say that dy by dt plus 15y equal to 0. Now here also each and every term, this is first term, second term, third term, so each and every term the dependent variable y is present. Here d2y by dt square is there, here dy by dt is there, here 15y means y is present. Then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. If we were take one another example, that is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x square minus 1 into y equal to 0. In this equation also the dependent variable y is present, here also the dependent variable y is present, here also the dependent variable y is present. Therefore such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. Now if all these are the homogeneous differential equation, then what is non-homogeneous differential equation? Now we see that non-homogeneous. Homogeneous म्हणजे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपण सांगितलं की the term of dependent variable is present. Now non-homogeneous. The equation, if we contain that m d2y by dt square plus r dy by dt plus ky equal to f sin qt. So this is the equation of forced oscillation. Now this is the equation of forced oscillation. Here the dependent variable y is present, here the dependent variable y is present, here the dependent variable y is present, but in this part, in this term, the dependent variable y is not present. So the dependent variable y is not present, therefore this equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Why? Because one term, there are few terms are there, 1 2 3 4, like 4 terms are there, but in one term this f sin qt, where y, the dependent variable y is not present, therefore such type of equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Now we take one another example, d2y by dt square plus 8 dy by dt plus 4y equal to 3. Now in this equation also, here y dependent variable is present, here y dependent variable is present, here y dependent variable is present, but here only one quantity number is there, 3. Y is not present, so here y is not present, therefore such type of equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Again we take one another example, 3 d2y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 6y equal to sin x. Now in this equation also, here y is present, here also y present, here also y present, but here the y term is not present, therefore this equation is non-homogeneous. Instead of sin x, if we say that instead of y sin x is present, then this equation is homogeneous differential equation. And if y term is not present in any part of this equation, then it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. So in this way we can learn the homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation. If the dependent variable term, the term of dependent variable is present each and every part of equation, then it is known as homogeneous equation. Means if y is present here, here also y present, here also y present, and here also if y is present, then equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. But in this particular equation, here the y term is not present, dependent variable, therefore it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you.